some coins. I've been blind since birth. Teacher, was this man born blind because of his sin, or because of his parents' sin?
You're asking the wrong question. It doesn't matter if he's sinned or if his parents have sinned. It only matters that when we see him, we see the work of God.
Can you fix my eyes?
If you have faith that I can do it, it will be done.
No, I can see. My eyes, I can see. Oh, thank you. Thank you.